Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to Photoshop in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express is not a full-fledged Photoshop replacement, but offers many Photoshop-like tools for basic photo editing and enhancement. How you can do that? Well, simply once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, you might want to consider using the templates here. You can browse thousands and inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and kind of like Photoshop here in Adobe Express, you're also welcome to do that by clicking this button. Let me start with this design. All right, so basically, if you want to Photoshop an image here, it's your options are kind of limited. So, for example, this picture right here, or let's say let's add another photo here. Let's go to the media, go to photos, and let's search something that we can edit easily. Maybe this one right here. All right, if you're paying attention, let's maximize this one right here. If you click this image, you have an option for the adjustments, which is kind of limited again. You can adjust the contrast, you see that. Adjust the brightness, the highlights, so you can put some numbers here. Shadows, saturation, all right, you see that. Warmth. You also have the option to sharpen the image. Kind of blur. Right, so these are some of your limited options here in Adobe Express. Another option is if you want to remove the background, right, you can also do that right here. You see, magically you can instantly remove the background, which is gonna be a lot easier than doing that in a Photoshop, right? It's AI integrated. Now, you also have an option to remove the object here by clicking this button. You can choose the brush size, and you can remove some of the things that you wanted to remove and retain only the image that you want. Click the remove option. So these are some of your limited options that you can do here in Adobe Express. And as I've mentioned, it's not the photoshopping here is not a full-fledged replacement, but offers many like Photoshop kind of basic tools for enhancement and editing. It takes a little while. As you can see, this is web-based, so it's AI generated. So you might want to consider that before using Adobe Express as a means for photoshopping your image. Because Adobe ecosystem provides several tools to edit and enhance images that you might want to consider instead of using the Adobe Express. Which is, if you go to the home page right here, you click this buttons on the upper right corner, there should be other options where you can enhance or Photoshop your photo like using the Photoshop already. Click that and you would be forwarded to the Photoshop Express here in Adobe. It's a different topic for a different video, but similarly it's really easy. All right, all I'm gonna do is choose from any of the following pictures or tools. For example, I'm going to drag and drop my image here. And again, you can start your 7-day free trial so you can maximize your creativity with Photoshop on the web. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.